Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ZUCWO 11.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen for car. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Easily connect your smartphone using wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. With the 11.26-inch touchscreen, you can access your smartphone's apps, utilize map navigation, send and receive messages, and play music using Siri or Google Assistant. Even if your car is older, adding wireless CarPlay can significantly enhance your driving experience. Voice control and safe driving. With voice control through Siri or Google Assistant, you can navigate various features safely without needing to touch the screen. The device includes a 1080p waterproof backup camera, which enhances safety while parking and reversing, particularly at night. Easy installation and fit all vehicles. This portable 11-inch CarPlay stereo comes with a self-adhesive bracket for easy installation on your dashboard console. The touchscreen car radio is compact and designed to fit most vehicles, including cars, trucks, vans, buses, and pickup trucks. GPS navigation and mirror link. The 11.26-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen features accurate real-time GPS navigation using Google Maps or Waze, ensuring a smooth and stress-free trip. The wireless CarPlay screen supports wireless mirroring for both Android and iOS devices. Use Mirror Link to display your smartphone screen on the 7-inch wireless CarPlay, giving you access to apps, media, and more while driving. 4K Dash Cam recording. The 11.26-inch CarPlay screen features a 4K front camera and a 1080p waterproof wide-angle reversing camera with night vision capabilities. It records and stores real-time footage on a 64GB memory card. You can conveniently watch video replays on your mobile phone, ensuring you never miss any important moments. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.